Switching to store.fan. How to move your link in bio setup without losing followers. Coming from another link in bio tool? Here's how to rebuild your setup on store.fan without a single follower getting lost along the way. Switching your link in bio platform feels riskier than it actually is. You've spent months getting followers used to tapping one link. Your product pages have reviews and momentum, and the idea of touching any of it can feel like defusing a bomb. But here's the truth. The move itself takes under an hour if you do it in the right order. And the cost of not switching, higher fees eating your margin, clunky checkout, no real email tool, compounds every single month you stay put. This is the exact playbook for migrating to store.fan without a broken link, a lost sale, or a confused follower. Step 1. Build your new store before you touch your bio. The single biggest mistake creators make when switching platforms is updating their Instagram bio on day 1, before the new store is actually ready. Don't do that. Create your store and treat the first session as private setup work. Nobody needs to see it yet. Upload your cover photo and avatar. Pick a theme that matches your existing brand colors, so the transition feels seamless rather than jarring, and get your first product live before a single follower sees the new link. You want your new storefront finished and boring by the time it goes public, not a work in progress that makes people wonder if something broke. Step 2. Claim a matching or close username. Your username is doing more work than you think. If you were linked to Emily Bakes or Beacons, Emily Bakes, try to land on store.fan Emily Bakes too. Matching usernames mean anyone who half remembers your link can still guess it correctly, and it keeps your brand consistent across every platform you touch. Instagram handle, email signature, YouTube description, all pointing at the same word. If your exact handle is taken, get as close as you can, an underscore, your niche word, a shortened version, rather than drifting to something unrelated. Grab it early. Usernames are first come, and you don't want to finish your whole store only to discover the handle went to someone else while you were designing your cover photo. Step 3. Relist your products the smart way, not the slow way. This is the part people dread, and it's genuinely faster than expected if you don't try to perfect everything at once. Start with whatever export or download option your old platform offers. Most link in bio tools let you download your uploaded files, ebooks, templates, presets, even if they don't offer a full data export. Pull those files down first before you cancel anything. Then rebuild listings on store.fan in order of revenue, not order of creation. Your bestseller goes up first. Your one-off free lead magnet goes up last. For each product, reset the price, re-upload the file, and rewrite the description fresh rather than copy-pasting. This is a good excuse to tighten up copy that's been stale for a year anyway. Don't wait for perfect. A live store with 3 solid products beats a paused migration with 12 half-finished drafts. Get the essentials up, open the store, then keep improving in public. Nobody expects a launch day storefront to be your final version. Step 4. Redirect the old link, don't just delete it. Every platform handles this a little differently, but the principle is universal. Never simply cancel your old account the day you launch the new one. Old links live in comment replies, old YouTube descriptions, screenshots people saved, group chats, half-scrolled feeds. If your old platform supports a redirect or a bio update rather than full deletion, use that first. Point the old link's bio text or landing note to your new store.fan address, and leave the account active, even on a free tier, for a few weeks so nothing ever hits a dead page. Only fully close the old account once you've confirmed, over a couple weeks, that traffic has meaningfully shifted to the new link. Step 5. Update every bio, not just Instagram. Instagram bio and highlight covers that mention your link, TikTok bio, YouTube channel description, and any pinned comments, Twitter, X bio, email signature, linked banners or pinned posts in any Discord or community you run, old blog posts or podcast show notes that reference your link, any paid ad or media kit that lists your storefront URL. It's tempting to update Instagram and call it done, but stray traffic from a 2-year-old YouTube description or an old guest podcast episode still adds up over time. Spend 15 minutes doing a full sweep. It's the cheapest insurance against losing sales to a dead link nobody's actively checking. Step 6. Announce the move and sweeten it with a launch offer. Don't apologize for switching. Frame it as an upgrade, because for your audience it genuinely is one. Faster checkout, Apple Pay and Google Pay working automatically, and instant delivery the moment they pay. One pinned post explaining, same me, new, better, link, plus a single broadcast email to your existing customer list covers most of your audience within 48 hours. Pair it with a small comeback offer, a limited time discount code, something like 15% off for the first week. Right in the same post and email. It rewards whoever clicks through immediately and turns "I switched platforms" into an actual reason to buy today instead of later. Both the broadcast tool and discount codes live right in your dashboard, so there's nothing extra to set up first. A platform switch only feels risky if you do it live, in public, with no plan. Do the boring setup work in private first, then make the switch itself the easy, 5-second part. What actually carries over versus what you rebuild? Set expectations correctly before you start so nothing feels like a surprise mid-migration. Your audience, your reputation, and your product files all carry over cleanly. What you rebuild from scratch. Automations tied specifically to your old platform and any integrations unique to that tool. An afternoon of setup, not a rebuild of your business. Connect Stripe or add a PayPal email during setup, and payments flow straight to your own account from day one, without a middleman wallet holding your money. See it before you commit. Not sure what a finished fan storefront should look like? Browse a live example store to see the cover photo, product blocks, and checkout flow in action before you start building your own. The whole migration, done properly, is roughly one private setup session, one username claim, an afternoon relisting products, a link sweep across your bios, and one announcement post plus email. That's it. No dramatic cutover, no dead weekend where your storefront is down, no risk of a follower tapping a broken link. If you want more detail on any single piece of this, pricing structures, discount code strategy, writing your first broadcast, the blog has dedicated guides for each. For questions specific to your situation, contact support before you start. Migration questions are common, and the team can flag anything specific to your old platform. Key takeaways. Migrate in a specific order. Rebuild first, redirect second, announce third. Never the reverse, claiming a matching username preserves brand recognition. Do this before you touch anything else. Your old platform's export, or a manual rebuild, covers 90% of what you need to relist products. A single pinned post plus a broadcast email covers the announcement. You don't need a big campaign. Keep your old link alive as a redirect for at least a few weeks so no stray click ever 404s. Start your creator store, free, at store.fan.